Okay, these are the mud dauber screens I'm about to put on, and it's fairly simple. There's this little rod inside here that this tool is going to push on like that to spread it out and attach it. So I'm going to attach this around the center, they said, as close to the center as I can get. I will then, if I can get it in there, I'll push the push rod. And that push rod goes in that bar right there, and it pushes in. Now this thing came off a little bit, so that rubber seal. So I'm gonna hook this to this piece right here. So I just push in, hook around, and it's tight and secure. Both are on there securely, and that will keep your mud daubers out, wasp's nest out, any kind of little bugs or critters getting in there. So that was that simple.